a video of closing inspection of number 53 Richard Street on the 3rd of September 2023. So, front garden, rubbish has been left outside from property. So, mixture of clothes items, rubbish that needs to be recycled within the bins. One bin full there, and these are shared bins with flat 1. This is the inventory for flat 2. Meter reading on the electric, 14963 kilowatt hours rate. Just let there be like that. On the gas, a meter reading 02666.026 meter cubed. Okay. Doorbell missing on flat 2. Just general rubbish left in the main hallway. Front handle, just a screw missing, so unable to open the door from the front. So that's probably just a straightforward repair. Fire alarm sounds good. Okay. Just general marks of wear and tear on the hallway coming through. Again, main hallway, carpet, and tear. Let's go going into the first bedroom. So I need to check missing blinds. That's been put up. 2 iron. So 2 iron marks on that one there. This carpet was new. Just checking from behind. Nothing there, I don't think. Nothing there. This unit not supplied, so it's just been left. Looking for the remote for the TV. Built-in wardrobes. Just left coat hangers. Straightforward there. Just a few items there left. Mattresses. This is second year term, so just a lot of stains there. Just checking underneath. There, more stains. Okay, straightforward there. So main damage is those 2 iron marks on the carpet, which was new coming in, and coverings on the vent. Landing there. Looks like picture left. Yeah, that wasn't supplied. Just checking drawers. Looks like damaged, yeah, and broken there. So it's a break on that one, break on that one. Going into the next bedroom. Some lights left. Again, just some small pieces left. Looking through there. A lot of stain damage. Not sure what the red is. Whether it is blood. But yeah. Underneath. Quite a lot of rubbish, food left underneath. Yeah, it's just rubbish. It's in condition, just box left, TV. Again, just hangers left. This main piece in here is the sort of stains on the mattress. Come through to the bathroom. So, light socket looks like it's been just pulled off. They're not plasterboard fixing, so it looks like it's just been broken. Part wear and tear, but part damage. Toilet bowl, just a build up of calcium, not particularly clean. Condensation build mold. Fan is active, but it's probably just been from constant shower and steam. Again, a strong build up and mold from there. Again, partly from build up of moisture, but also not cleaning. Shower head, not the original shower head. That one's a different one. Some soaps and scums left on the shower. Go into the kitchen. Oh, TV stand, so skirting not dusted down and cleaned. And wet marks there. Again, new carpet. Probably only, it was fitted just over 2 years ago. That way. Again, I left some speakers or internet. Just checking underneath the sofa and there. Just items left. Again, just more dust on skirting. A lot of wet moisture damp. It looks like they were storing rubbish on the windows. And then next door neighbour, who's an owner occupier, explaining that what they were doing then, they were just throwing the rubbish out from this window out into the garden. Bin not washed out and cleaned. Looks like they turned the freezer off, which is defrosted. Left a lot of food. Broken drawers on the freezer. A lot of food. Yeah, and that freezer has been turned off, so that side, so the freezer's not been cleaned, and the fridge not cleaned. Kitchen surface, sockets, it's mouldy. Again, hobs, only 2 tenancies old. This is the second tenancy. Just again, lack of cleaning down. Well, not clean, but that way. Oven. Pretty, yeah, just not been cleaned there. New candy dryer. Not sure where the bottom plate's gone. Can't see it anywhere. And some items left in here, not cleaned. Foodstuffs underneath, on top of the washing machine. Washing machine inside not clean. And again from that side, under items, barbecue lighter. Don't sure why that's in there. Items left. Cupboard. think we found the part to the tumble. Inside. Just generally cupboards. Faces not cleaned. Inside cupboards not cleaned. Items there. And that side. It's up there. So main damage, a lot of that wall has just been splashed from where they were keeping rubbish on the windowsill and they're throwing out. And generally not emptying the freezers and cleaning the kitchen while I'm leaving. Coming up through. Landing, just general wear and tear on paint. Extinguisher full. Extra bathroom. Again, it doesn't look like they've cleaned occupancy. Items left there, and then just generally the pan not cleaned at all. Going into top bedroom. Glass window there, which was not part of the original property. Door. Again, it's a bit dusty, but all working. Nothing there. Just general wear and tear, blue tack marks on the wall. Damaged plug, just having a look. So it looks like the housings have been come out or been pushed in. Not sure what's gone on there, but that needs to be replaced. Wardrobe. Some stuff left in there. Hangers, but remote there for the TV, but the other two, looks like the other two TVs in the bedroom remotes disappeared. Mattress, general stains. And again underneath. Okay, broken lats on that one. So that's the IKEA bed, the low-rise standard double slat. So I'll need to replace the whole slat item, one replacement on that side. Again, just a few items underneath the bed, clean from there on that place. General outcome, wear and tear on the walls and things with blue tack. Be expected with a tenancy over 12 months. Mainly the iron burns in that lower bedroom, and then the lack of cleaning in the kitchen throughout, rubbish at the front of the property, not cleaning of the toilet bowls and stuff from that side, which will need to have industrial cleaning. That's the end of closing inspection for flat 2, 53 Richard Street, for the 3rd of September, year 2023.